Hey there, let's dive into a journey where technology meets business savvy. We find ourselves at the intersection of knowledge management and artificial intelligence, and that's where Azure Cognitive Search shines, allowing us to craft a knowledge store that will not only bolster our search capabilities but also fuel our analytical insights. Exciting, isn't it? First off, imagine you've got this bustling digital environment churning through data non-stop. It's a gold mine, but here's the snag: it's a gold rush without a map, hard to navigate, with crucial data tucked away, buried and inaccessible. That's where Azure Cognitive Search steps in as our trusted guide, our digital compass pointing towards the treasure trove of knowledge our business holds. So, let's break down the creation of this knowledge store, shall we? We need to consider our architecture and design first. You see, we are handling a diverse dataset, ranging from unstructured data like emails and documents to structured data. The trick is to structure this in a way that's searchable while retaining its comprehension. Enter Azure Cognitive Search, our hero in this scenario. Starting with the creation of an index, we tap into the service's flexibility, enabling us to build a search engine that acts as the gateway to our knowledge base. Each dataset needs to be imported into the search service, and while doing this, we'll define the schema of sorts, outlining the data fields and their types. Now, this might sound overwhelming, but Azure Cognitive Search handles this like a pro, guiding us through setting up the indexing and making sure each piece of information is tagged appropriately for both human users and AI-driven interactions. Here we go into the realm of configuration. Setting up the knowledge store is a bit like setting up a home. It's got to feel right and work well for those living in it. We'll configure the access policies, ensuring who gets to access what and when. Then, let's sort out those search features. How do we want to interact? Filters and facets will help our searchers find what they need faster than ever before, turning the haystack into an elegant, well-organized pile of information. Now, we mustn't forget the how, the backend processes. It's essential to pick the right AI-powered features, like document classification and entity recognition. These features are like the gears and sinews within our knowledge store, translating raw data into valuable insights. They help categorize the data, link related information across various sources, and even extract entities like names, places, and more, all to enhance our data's richness and accessibility. We can't leave without some serious troubleshooting measures. It's never too far from the ordinary to run into issues, but with Azure Cognitive Search, you are well equipped to face these head-on. With comprehensive monitoring and logging, along with Azure's troubleshooting tools, we are almost ready for any hiccups, keeping our knowledge store humming along smoothly. As we bring this creation to life, let's not forget best practices. Properly designing your knowledge store using Azure Cognitive Search principles will ensure maintainability and scalability while keeping the user experience first. It's a balancing act, for sure, but it's the hallmark of an expertly built system. By wrapping up this guide, you are not just a reader, you are a craftsman equipped with knowledge on crafting an exemplary knowledge store with Azure Cognitive Search. As you dive deeper, remember this: every bit of data you've amassed holds wisdom. Your task is to unveil it to the world efficiently. If this knowledge store creation journey with Azure Cognitive Search tickles your fancy, keep exploring further. There's a treasure trove of knowledge waiting for you in the digital universe, and now it's your turn to chart the course. And before I let you go, remember where to visit next. Check out neeraj.qzz.io and hit subscribe to TechLab for the latest innovations. Stay curious, my friend, and until our paths cross next time, happy exploring the digital realm of knowledge and its boundless opportunities.